we're fighting back. We are like those salmon fish jumping against the stream, above the waterfalls, rising to the heights, uplifting our heavy bodies and praying and doing tshuva, coming closer to Hashem and doing good things and praying and connecting ourselves to the truth in so many ways, admitting the truth and coming closer and closer to Hashem and breaking those layers of darkness and physicality and showing to the world, to all our surroundings, what really we're made of. And we're made of godliness, of pure holiness and pure godliness that is treasured inside of us. And that light, when it shines through the cracks of our physicality, it shines with greater colors than it does without physicality surrounding it. Like the prism, that clear crystal that is breaking the light to the side and showing the great color of its nature. Before the light breaks to the sides and hits physicality, it's going straight in one endless line, and no one can see that light. No one can recognize the glory and the beauty that is treasured inside that light. And that's the speed of light. When you're flying in the speed of light, you're flying with the light, so you cannot be recognized. No one can see you. But when you stop, when the soul is breaking into that physical layer, into that screen of separation from godliness, and breaks the light to the side, that's the moment that all the colors of the rainbow are being seen through your actions, through your words, through your holy thoughts. And that is amazing, 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 amazing treasure that has been given to us. The ability to express the light of our soul here on earth as physical bodies. And we should remember that our job is not to be holy as the angels. Our job is to show the light of godliness that is treasured inside of us to earthen people like us, to our surroundings, to our children, to our friends, to all our surroundings, to all our loved ones, to show the light that is treasured inside of us. And then, when they see you shining, they will be inspired from you to shine as well. And the tremendous light that will shine from them will be so beautiful, will be so awesome, so fantastic, so charming, that we can never imagine.
שום דבר כבר לא יעצור אותי מלהגיע